Hello guys, let's try to create this template and see how it looks like. Maybe some of you think it's nonsense. I am agree with you. Let's try to make use of it and make it perfect. Okay, we have the picture here. We send the picture to the background as always. Format the picture background and send the picture to the background from clipboard. We have the picture. Now we have these balls. Let's at first prepare our background. It's just a simple one. It's a little text, but more important, it has a little problem. Can you guess what is it? The balls are making everything hard. Okay, let's see if we can just simply copy the text. No. Yes, we can. We copy the text and put them here. Let's go and see how we create the text. Okay, we don't need the picture for now. For the text, this Tokyo text, we go to text option here, and for the color, we use this linear type and this for colors, and for the font overdrive sunset. Now this is a simple text. What we do, we just simply go to shape format, and for the background we make it a black and reduce the transparency. Okay, it's okay. Now we need to make this effect more useful. How we can do that? Okay, let's just copy this slide. We insert a circle, a nice one. We destroy the shape outline and give it some great effect, something like this, and we just simply create 8 of them, not more. Then we bring the Tokyo thing to the top. Okay, everything is good, and align it center, middle. Now everything is good. We just need to change the color of these shapes. We are going to use some gray colors that fit our background. Let's say more visible one here. That's good. We are going to use more bright color here and a little dark one here. Okay, now we just need to copy these circles and put them back here. What we are going to do, we are going to select all of them, reduce them in size, and then format them and set the transparency to low. Now set the transition to morph and make the time more high. Then let's see the magic. If you like this kind of transition and presentation, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. Until